The legend is back. The Subaru 360, Japan's first mass-produced kei car, has been reborn for 2025. This microcar captured hearts in the late 50s, and now, it's making a futuristic comeback with modern technology while staying true to its iconic roots. In today's video, we'll take a deep dive into the all-new 2025 Subaru 360, its design, performance, features, and why it's the perfect mix of nostalgia and innovation. Let's get started. The 2025 Subaru 360 pays tribute to the original with its rounded body and compact footprint, but now it's sleeker and more aerodynamic. Subaru has modernized the design with LED headlights inspired by the classic circular lamps, a minimalist front grille, and a futuristic rear end. Built on a lightweight platform, the new 360 retains its signature small dimensions, making it the ultimate city car. With vibrant retro color options, including classic cream, Tokyo blue, and heritage red, this little car is a head-turner. Step inside, and you'll find a perfect blend of retro charm and modern tech. The dashboard features a simple yet elegant layout, with a digital instrument cluster and a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Subaru's latest EyeSight driver assistance. Despite its compact size, the 2025 Subaru 360 is surprisingly spacious for two passengers, with clever storage solutions and sustainable materials used throughout the cabin. Plus, the retro-inspired seats pay homage to the original while providing modern comfort. Under the hood, or should we say, under the floor, lies an all-electric powertrain. The new Subaru 360 is powered by a compact 30 kWh battery pack, delivering around 100 miles 160 kilometers of range, perfect for city driving. With a single electric motor producing 65 horsepower, this tiny EV is zippy and fun to drive. And thanks to instant torque, it accelerates much quicker than its 1958 predecessor. Charging is a breeze with fast charging capability, reaching 80% in just 30 minutes, making it a practical urban commuter. Safety has always been a priority for Subaru, and the new 360 is no exception. It comes equipped with Subaru's EyeSight 360 system, which includes adaptive cruise control lane keep assist, automatic emergency braking blind spot monitoring. Even in a small package, Subaru ensures that you're well protected on the road. So, how much will this modern classic cost? The 2025 Subaru 360 is expected to start at around $18,000, making it one of the most affordable EVs on the market. It competes directly with the Honda E, Fiat 500e, and Mini Electric, but its retro charm and Subaru's legendary reliability give it a unique edge. The 2025 Subaru 360 is proof that great things come in small packages. It's stylish, efficient, packed with modern tech, and brings back a beloved classic for a new generation of drivers. What do you think about the return of the Subaru 360? Would you drive one? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more automotive content. Thanks for watching Auto World, and we'll see you in the next video.